Here's how to create the Benn TK slide transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Start with several 1-second clips in your timeline. For the second clip, trim 5 frames from its end. On the third clip, trim 10 frames. For the fourth clip and every clip after that, trim 15 frames from each one. Now apply the transform effect to your first clip. Enable keyframes for the position and scale properties by clicking the stopwatch icon. Change the scale value to 120. Move forward 4 frames and add another keyframe. Then, move forward to more frames and add a new keyframe, this time setting the scale value back down to 100. Next, go back to the start of the clip. Adjust the X position value until the video clip moves completely off the right side of the screen. To add motion blur, uncheck the Use Composition Shutter Angle option and set a shutter angle of 360. For a smoother animation, select all the keyframes, right-click, and choose Bezier. Finally, to copy this transition, simply right-click the transform effect, copy it, and then paste it onto all your other clips.